Sweet potato pudding is one of those recipes that fills the kitchen with warmth long before it comes out of the oven. Everything begins with 2 sweet potatoes. After peeling them, I grate them by hand, creating the foundation of this traditional dessert. To the grated sweet potatoes, I add 1 cup of evaporated milk, giving the mixture a rich and creamy base. Next comes the flavor. The zest of 2 fresh limes brings a bright citrus aroma. A quarter of a nutmeg is freshly grated, releasing its warm, earthy fragrance. Then comes about 30 grams of fresh ginger, adding a gentle heat and depth of flavor. For the spices, I add 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon, along with a few whole cinnamon sticks. Then I pour in 1 tablespoon of white vanilla and 1 tablespoon of brown vanilla. A teaspoon of salt helps balance the sweetness, and 75 grams of sugar brings everything together. Once all the ingredients are in the bowl, I mix them thoroughly until every strand of sweet potato is coated with the fragrant blend of milk, spices, and vanilla. Next, I take 2 ripe bananas and mash them until smooth. The mashed bananas are then folded into the sweet potato mixture, adding natural sweetness, richness, and a soft texture that makes pain patate so comforting. I continue mixing until everything is fully combined and the flavors begin to come together. But the journey doesn't end there. A tablespoon of butter goes into a pan over medium heat. As the butter melts and begins to foam, I add the sweet potato mixture. For the next 10 minutes, I stir continuously, allowing the ingredients to cook gently and the excess moisture to evaporate. The mixture gradually thickens, becoming richer and more concentrated in flavor. Once it reaches the perfect consistency, slightly dry but still soft and moist, it's ready for the next step. Transfer the mixture into a baking pan and spread it evenly from edge to edge. Then it goes into the oven for about 15 minutes. The result is a beautifully baked sweet potato pudding with a tender interior, a lightly caramelized surface, and now it's ready to serve.